Okay, I should see it now.
Should I go last now?
Okay, I'll
You're
see.
not gonna use
there
it
we
now.
go.
Going out with their personal handle to what?
You tell me when.
Lasagna.
The Azania.
Guys, I'm searching.
So you'll be on live on Azania.
She's live. I'm gonna request to join.
I see it's
her.
live.
Oh, okay. I'm also gonna request. No. One at a time. One at a time.
It doesn't matter.
No, okay.
We can all. We can
Guys, we'll like. Alright, we are live, we're live. Welcome guys, welcome to our second show. This is the second Sunday, innit?
Yes.
Welcome to the fairness, everybody was tuned in via Facebook, via our radio.co. I think we've sent the link for that. And then today we've got Lonnie Sam on the fairness. She's gonna be heating things up. So she's one of those people who are, you know the wood, ne? When the fire is dying down, then you put some more wood. That's what's gonna happen. We also have Precious, greet the people.
Hello, people. Precious here.
Okay, we've got a packed show. It's just gonna be for an hour. Just an hour, guys. So we're gonna be talking today about monogamy versus polygamy. And then my friend said add polyandry. Yeah. There's the other one for the ladies. But it's also polygamy as well. And then
Polyamory.
This word, but there are people who are polyamorous. I think Londi is going to have to explain to us what are these things. Especially this
Polyamory.
I've got you. Don't
You've
worry,
got me.
I got you.
No, please explain. Then I'll take it from the main side of things.
Okay.
Already, I think we know what I'm going to say.
Okay, so polyamory, it's an honest, romantic relationship with multiple people at the same time. No secrets, no lies. But they're not married like polygamy.
Oh.
So you can, in polyamorous relationships, you can find a throuple, which is 3 people in a relationship, a guy and 2 women. That's called a throuple. Two are a couple.
So one guy and 2 women.
Yeah.
And then they are like making the circle bigger.
Yes.
Okay.
It could be a married couple and they have a girlfriend.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, it could be a married couple, man and woman, and they have a girlfriend, which is part of the circle. They are called a throuple if they 3. If they 4, they're called quadruple. Whatever. Yeah. There's a word for it, but they call it quad if they're 4. And then a throuple is a type of polyamorous relationship where 3 people are having consensual romance. It does not necessarily mean that they can all have sex. You can be in a throuple and not engage sexually, the 3 of you. There is, in most cases you find that maybe in a marriage, one of the people in that marriage has like an ex that maybe they have a child with. But because of that non-sexual relationship, they are by default in a throuple.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be sexual.
Oh, interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah. So polyamory is not a polygamy. And that's when a man has multiple wives and it's not swinging. That's when a couple have casual sex outside their marriage.
That's adultery.
Polyamory community is a diverse, all age, all genders, religions, and background. As some people find they find the need to get into a polyamorous relationship maybe because they've seen their parents getting divorced or whatever the case may be. And that's why most people, they would rather be in a polyamorous relationship because they know what they're dealing with. They pretty much know what they're dealing with, and they know that they're not obliged to stay like maybe in marriage, or in a polygamous relationship. Yeah. So that's pretty much what polyamory is, being in a relationship with a couple, and it's consensual.
Okay,
So
I
It's
have a
not
question.
swinging and it's not an open marriage.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I read somewhere where they're saying that polyamory is whereby let's say it's 4 couples. Like it's me and him. We are married, but we are having an open relation. We're having an open marriage whereby we can invite other people into the marriage knowingly. Like okay, maybe for instance, they Jada and Will thingy.
Jada Pinkett.
Yes.
and Will Smith,
So,
okay.
let's say DK can have me as a wife. He has me as a wife, and then he decides like, okay, fine, Precious. I saw someone. I have an interest in someone. I saw Lonely. So okay, what do I say? I say, okay, fine. If you want Lonely, it's okay, as long as I know. Then is that part of polyamory?
No, it's not, because now it's one-sided. Polyamory means that the two of you are in a relationship with me.
Oh.
It doesn't mean that I'm in a relationship with
So
one
we
of you.
inviting you
yes.
to become part of us.
Yes.
So
That is
meaning that it's more
polyamory.
like a 3 thingy.
You make it,
Yes,
you're
it's a
making the
three-way
circle
thing
bigger.
or a
Oh,
four-way
okay.
thing. It could be a 3-way thing or a 4-way thing.
Yes.
But it would mean that the both of you as a couple
Mhm.
are in a relationship with the people or the person that you are bringing into the relationship.
And
Kinda
it could also be, for example, if there's like 3 couples,
Yes.
then they decide that, you know, if I'm with you and then your other person is with you, but you can also, your person can be with that other couple as well. So we can all consent. We can just be like 6 of us.
But that's open.
That's a chain.
That's not polyamory. That's open. That's
No, but
being
the-
in an open marriage and swinging as well.
No, but we're consenting to this thing. So what is the difference
The
between...
difference is
Mm,
if it's 3 couples,
yes.
all 3 couples, it would mean that, you know what, polyamory means a relationship,
Yes.
but it can't be with one person.
So what you're saying is like it's a chain within a relationship.
Yeah,
But then
or
I'm
say-
allowed
say-
to have a partner and my partner is
Say
allowed to
you
have
two
a
are
partner.
a couple and
Yes.
I come with my partner,
Mhm.
it would mean that the 4 of us
We
are in a relationship.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
And
Not
if
not
it's
that I can be with
Okay, let's
DK
clarify this.
and can't
We're
be
all
with you,
in a
you know.
relationship knowingly.
Yes.
Yes.
Not like we are joined or
No,
something like that.
It's the 4 of us saying, you know what, we actually like each other, so why 4 and we're gonna do this.
So what's the difference? Because what you're saying is similar to what polygamy is. Okay, let me read you.
Polygamy is when a man is married to multiple women.
Yes, you're right. It's similar to polygamy and monogamy. You understand? Let's exclude the part of marriage. Let's exclude the part
But
of marriage.
polygamy
It's
involves marriage.
Yes.
Yeah.
Polygamy and polyandry involves
yes,
marriage.
involves marriage.
But polyamorous, it's all of us
Yeah.
in this whole thing.
Yes.
That's why I was giving an example to say, even if it's 6 people.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's 6, you are in a relationship with the 3 guys.
Yes.
She is in a relationship with the 3 guys.
Mhm.
I'm in a relationship with the 3 ladies.
Yeah.
And the other guys are in a relationship with the other 3 ladies. as well.
Also, it could mean exactly that, but it could also mean that as a female, I am in a relationship with both guys and females. Vice
Yes,
versa.
you can also have
Yeah.
that. If
And
you are
I
into
can also
both.
be in a relationship with all the females involved with
Within the relationship.
these 3 couples.
But let's look at it from this. But what I want to take, like us to have out of this now, is to say, and this thing was brought about, I think the whole thing of Jada and Will and August or Sina or somewhere in the mix somewhere there. Because they are in an open relationship. And then he's alleging that they dated for what, 4 years? August
happened 4
and
years ago.
4 years ago.
It happened
August
4
and
and a
It
half
Jada
happened
dated.
4 years ago.
Yes.
Apparently, the relationship lasted for 2 years because Will and Jada were separated for 2 years.
Or it was during separation. So it doesn't really count.
No, but haven't you read the response? Because haven't you watched the
No, I
response?
didn't.
So Jada and Will came to the red table to clear
Yeah.
everything, and
Yes.
they said they had broken up in their marriage.
They were in a virtue of divorce.
They never brought up divorce per se,
But Will said, I was done
with your ass.
I was done with you. So
But
they were
this is the thing
separated
with
for
their union, because they call it a union now, or their lifetime partnership. They said from the get-go, whatever happens, we may be separated,
For
but
better,
we
for
are
worse,
not getting
divorcing.
divorced.
Oh, okay.
We are not. Jada even said he can stay on the other side of the house with someone else. I will stay on the other side of the house with someone else. But no one is signing divorce papers, and both of them are clear on that.
Or at least they've got something.
They
But
are
from
very clear on that.
Guys-
We are not going to divorce each other. We may be separated, but we have a relationship that goes deeper
than just that.
Yeah.
But I want to understand it, and I'll bring it from the men's perspective. I want to
Yeah.
understand from your perspective
Okay.
as women.
Mm.
Do you have a problem with polygamy? Polyamory. That's what it is. Né? Not necessarily. The other ones like your monogamy and polyandry. I mean, polyandry is just another version
Yeah.
of polygamy, just that it's the women's side
Yes.
doing that. But do you guys have what's your view, what's your take on monogamy versus polygamy and also polyamory?
I
Do you
would
wanna go
say
first?
yes. I would say for me, as being a product of polygamy, my mom was married to a man who married 5 wives. My mom was the
That man
first
was a king.
wife. Oh, I know. So my mom was the first wife, and I'm the product of the first kids. Yes, I'm the first generation. Yes. So being a product of that, I would say, because I know what happens in polygamy marriage, I would say I'm against it. Irregardless of saying it's culture, it's African culture, it's whatnot, I'm against it because, to be honest, you can never be happy while there's other women in the relationship. I've seen that, and because of that, my mom had to end up divorcing and leaving the marriage and leaving my father with the other women. And as it is, with leaving the other women, they were also not happy. You know, it's never easy to accept another woman to come into your marriage. That's, I'm against it. And then if we look at it on a monogamous side, it's crazy for a woman to marry more than 2 men. It's just crazy.
Why?
Like, okay, guys, let's look at it like this. Women, we are me. Let's say me. Because
Yeah.
if I say women, then
I was
other
about to
women
say.
might be out there.
When you make that statement.
So let's say me. I look at when I'm with one partner. Okay, I'm with one partner. Sorry to say this, but when you sleep with one partner, you get tired, right? Not in that way you're thinking. You get tired of like, okay, I cannot sleep with him 5 times in a week. So imagine,
Why not though?
guys, I'm talking about me. I'm talking about
That's what I'm
me.
asking. Why not though?
I get tired and my body needs to recuperate. So what I'm saying is, imagine me having 2 husbands whom I need to satisfy. I don't think that I'll be able.
Okay.
I don't think, myself, I don't think I'll be able, because satisfying them needs strength. And sometimes I'm gonna say me, I'm gonna put it out there, I'm not speaking for other women because other women can take it. Your body, if we're doing it today when we did it 3 times today, my body needs to rest.
Y'all don't have hobbies?
Sometimes it gets, when you are in honeymoon
get
stage,
that, I get
when you're in
that.
honeymoon stage, girl,
No, I get
yes,
you. I
we
get
can
you.
go the whole
I'm
day.
joking.
So what I mean is, like, I need to rest. I need to rest my body so that it can recuperate, so that next time when we have this, I have energy. I have, I am there, like fully there. So I don't think for me it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It won't work for me.
But let me
Okay.
just follow before you come in, Lodi. Let me just follow up with this.
Yes.
You said, for example, when you're giving an example with your situation
Yes.
about your father and the wives.
Yes.
But my understanding is that if your father is in a polygamous relationship, the women who came into that relationship knew that's the case.
Yeah.
Why then do you think that they were not happy? Like, first, I will take it that your mother, being the first one, was probably not so happy about it. She was
True.
forced because of whatever.
True.
But the ones that are coming, because they knew, well, this is what it is. Why do you think they can't be happy about it? What changes from whatever that was promised before?
Okay, that one is tough to explain because I was not the victim. I was just in the entanglement of it,
Yeah.
as Jada will say it.
You turn. Word
so
of the
as
week.
me being kind of
Entanglement.
Word of the week. Entanglement.
entanglement. So what I have noticed is that my father would promise them all of them, love.
Mm.
I'm gonna give you. My father didn't have money, guys. I don't know what they were falling for. Maybe it was the charm, the
Yeah.
shorty with the good looks and dresses well. That's my dad. But he didn't have money. But he promised all the women that I'm gonna take care of you and I'm gonna love you. And they were good with that. But as time goes by, love was there, but the taking care of part, it became a problem. Because there ended up being a lot of kids whom my dad couldn't take care. You find at home we are multiples, guys. How can I put it? My dad would have a child with my mom, will get my mom pregnant and get the second wife and the third wife pregnant
At the same
at the same time. So when
That's
they
what
give
you do.
birth, it's like we're all the
That's
same.
his job. Yeah, that's his
So
man.
we are all the same age. So you find we are 5. Okay, no, let's say it's me and my brothers, another one. Let's say we are 4 from 3 different women. Oh, yes. And then you find that there's things we need. There's necessity things that babies need. And he cannot afford. That's why it became a problem. Like
So it became a matter, it did not become a matter of this man doesn't love his wives,
Yes.
but it became a matter of being able to take
take
care
care.
and provide for them,
yes.
which is something very, very important. Taking care of your family as a man. I am there for that. I totally
But on
understand
that, the taking care on that,
Yeah.
people will say if you can't afford them. I'll give an example with
Yes, why have
Musa.
them?
Musa.
Yeah.
They say if you can't afford it, then
Why
don't
have
do
it?
it.
No,
But
yes.
if you
I
can,
get it.
if you can afford it, I've got something here on this, but I want to give you a chance to, from the women point of view, are you against polygamy? Are we as human beings monogamous actually? Are we?
I have been struggling to answer that question for a while now because if you asked me these questions probably 5 years ago, I would have a yes or no answer.
Okay.
But now, having gotten to a stage in my life where I said to myself, you need to be more open-minded about things. Things are not black and white.
Okay.
You know, they are deeper spheres into whatever that is going on in life. Relationships on its own, that whole thing is a broad spectrum. You can explore it in so many ways. So monogamy, I would have said yes, human beings are monogamous
Yeah.
beings, but
Naturally so.
so. But we had this conversation earlier when you said there is that one DNA thing about a human being, that one to the core that we are the same. And I said, according to me, I think it's love.
Yeah.
LOVE.
So that's the
As
core for
the
everyone.
core for human being. We are about love, for love, as human beings. And the need obviously to be loved and the need to love and to belong. That is us as human beings. But now, how do you go about doing that? That's a total different thing. Because there are people who tells you it's impossible that you can be with one partner, whether it's males or females who are saying that. It's impossible to be with one partner for 50 years. But you're saying other people are doing it. But someone would say, how do you know within that 50 years, none of them stepped out of the relationship?
You never know.
You will never know. I am open-minded when it comes to that.